So sunlight, nutrition, hormonal secretions, and exercise on the bones. A presentation by Vanessa Lopez for the class of Professor Garcia 2401. Objective of this video. In this video, we will learn how sunlight, nutrition, hormonal secretions, and exercise affects the human's bones. We will also learn how these things also affect the body in a negative way. How sunlight affects the bones. Sun rays from the sun affects everything in the world, but it affects humans in a whole other level. To begin with, the sun rays causes the skin to make vitamin D, a vitamin that is needed to make bones healthy. It affects the bones in both bone mass and bone length. The effects of nutrition on the bones. Nutrition is a key thing that is needed for growth and development. Nutrition helps the bones develop bone mass and bone length as we grow. Nutrition gives the needed vitamins that help the bones grow. Things like calcium and proteins are the things that help the bones grow. How hormonal secretions help the bones. Hormonal secretions help the muscles and many things, but it majorly helps the bone's strength. Hormones are the things that help the bones control its strength and mass by giving them the nutrients that are needed to grow. Exercise of the bone. Exercising is a key factor to keeping the bones in nice shape and in good health. The bones are constantly remodeling themselves over the years, and if a person were to exercise themselves, then the bones will become denser and healthier as well. Understanding the problems of not getting these essentials. Number 1. The lack of sunlight can cause many diseases that can lead to bone-damaging problems. Problems like osteoporosis and seasonal affective disorder. Ironically, the overexposure of summer rays can also be damaging, including damage to the bones. Lack of nutrition can affect the human body in many ways. In children, it can lead to severe bone deformities. In adults, it can cause many bone diseases, including osteomalacia, a disease that can soften the bones. Low hormones can severely affect the bones in the human body. Lack of hormones can lead to lack of nutrition and bone loss.